Esmat, a shoemaker, had been really busy. Tomorrow was Eid. All day people had been coming and trying new shoes, and now they were all finally sold out. So he was very happy and thought to buy some gifts for his family. So he closed down his store and walked out to the clothes store. Assalamu alaikum Hamsa, he said. I have come to buy something for my wife. Could you show me a nice burqa? Walaikum salam Ismat. Of course, I have just arrived burqa for her. And he brought out very pretty burqa for Ismat's wife. I think I will buy dupatta for my mother. Right here. Take this one, and he brought out a beautiful dupatta decorated with beads. I think I would buy some bangles for my daughter. Hamsa then showed him lovely bangles. All were very beautiful. Ismat chose a pink set of bangles for his daughter. And after buying all the gifts for his family, Ismat was about to leave. And Hamsa, the shopkeeper, called Ismat. Hamsa said, Wait, Ismat, why don't you buy something for yourself? After all, it's Eid. It's lovely to wear new clothes. Ismat said, You are right, Hamsa. I think I would buy something for myself. How about a pair of trousers? Yours look too old, also have so many patches. Yes, then can you please show me some trousers? Hamsa, yes, there is only one pair here. All others were sold out. Ismat held up trousers to his waist and looked down. Oh, four fingers, too long, Hamsa. Then why don't you alter them for me, Hamsa? That would be lovely. Oh, Ismat, I'm so sorry. I wish I could, but tomorrow is Eid and I have so much to do. Then why don't you ask your wife? That's a good idea. Thank you so much. Hamsa. Then Ismat left the shop and hurried to home. He gave the burqa to his wife. She was very happy. She said, Have you brought anything for yourself? Yes, a pair of trousers. But these are four fingers long then. Then how are you going to wear it? Ismat said. Can you please alter it for me? No, Ismat. Tomorrow is Eid. I have to make biryani. Why don't you ask your mother? She will be happy to do it for you. Then Ismat went to his mother Habiba. Ammi, I have brought you a present. And he showed her dupatta. She felt very happy. Have you brought anything for you? She said. Yes, Ammi, a pair of trousers. But these are four fingers long. Then how you are going to wear it, Ismat? Ismat said, Ammi, why can't you please alter it for me? I wish I could, but tomorrow is Eid. I have to make sheer kurma. Maybe you could have been asked Marjabeen. She will be happy to do this for you. Then Ismat went to his daughter Marjabeen. Look, sweetheart, I have brought a present for you. She was very delighted. She took all the bangles and trying them on. Have you brought anything for you, Abu? She said. Yes, a pair of trousers. But these are four fingers long, Abu. She said. Yes, sweetheart, these are. I was just hoping that you could shorten them for me. Abu, tomorrow is Eid. I have to make samosa. Also, I have to look after the little baby. Abu, I don't have time. So Ismat realized women in the house were really busy on preparing for Eid. So he decided to shorten it for himself. He went back his room and took out a pair of scissors and cut his trousers a few inches and hemmed and kept it on the table. Then he called out his wife Yasmin and told that he was going out to visit the sick and poor to give them some money. At home, Yasmin said to herself that my husband is such a good man. So she went to the table, cut the trousers, and hemmed and folded back and then kept it on the table. Then she went to the kitchen to finish her work. After some time, Ismat's mother went to his room. She said to herself, "My son is such a good son. I will do it for him." So she took the scissors and cut the trousers and hemmed and folded back and kept it on the table and went back to finish her work. After some time, Mahajabin too went to Ismat's room and took the trousers and said to herself, "My father is such a good person. I will do it for him." Then she too took a pair of scissors and cut the trousers, hemmed and folded back and kept it on the table. Next morning was Eid. Everybody was very excited. All got dressed in the new clothes and got ready for Eid bread. They all went to Ismat's room, knocked on the door, and told that they were all ready. They all said to try his new trousers. Then all the women waited outside. Suddenly, they heard a loud scream from the bedroom. They all looked worried. "Is there everything fine?" Then he came out from the bedroom wearing his new trousers hung up on his knees. They all looked shocked, and each one told that I only cut them 4 fingers long. Then Ismat said, "I too cut them 4 fingers." Then all laughed together. "Let's sew the pieces of trousers together," said Yasmin. Then Habiba, Mahjamin, Ismat all together sewed the trousers perfectly. Then all wore new clothes and greet Eid Mubarak. Hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.